Hey friends, welcome to Dig It with Raven. This is your weekly dose of everything archaeology, history, and art conservation related. That means whether you are a student, a professional, or just plain curious, there's gonna be a video on here for you. Archaeology is like the sexiest thing, she said, trying to make it sexy. Our human past is full of mystery, excitement, and intrigue, but it's often lost in all this academic mumbo jumbo, and it's really hard to follow. That's where I come in. I'm digging up the past, giving it to you straight, and making sure we have some laughs along the way. I'm also taking you on all of my adventures around the world to bring the real archaeology to life. Think of me as the Wikipedia of archaeology. The archaeopediologist. Archaeopediologist? Is that a word? We're gonna make it a word. Are you in school? Well, lucky you, because every video I'm gonna post has an accompanying blog post on it with a write-up and extra resources, so I'm pretty much like doing all of your homework for you. So what are you waiting for? Climb on down from that ivory tower of academia, subscribe to my channel, and let's get time traveling. Stay dirty, my friends.